say stuff first?
Okay, so we're watching
I want to see this real ghost.
Shut up! The Paranormal
Ew.
Entity trailer. And I'm already scared, and we haven't even watched it yet. Shut up!
Alright. Okay, look how creepy this face is. Oh my gosh.
Can you not show me?
Look at that face.
Okay, now can you watch
That's creepy. Hello.
Here, go.
Why are you wearing that over your head?
Because I'm a Muslim. I'm just kidding.
And what is she?
Play it. A white girl. Get it straight.
We're not racist. Sometimes. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it down.
Stop singing out
They
loud.
killed my sister.
Shut up.
My family is dead. Oh well. We should just skip through the first one. It's not even scary. It's just them talking. Stop it.
She's so ugly.
She's not. Nothing's happening. You get it. You stop it. Go.
Man,
This trailer.
that's
kinda
horrible
freaks me out.
decorating.
I know, right? It's kind of scary. Well, it's not scary, but it's like scary bad. Ooh. And it only looks scary right here. Like nothing happens. Right?
Hello.
Cheyenne, if I help you with your thing with Papa, you need to help your sister with their iTunes card. Don't forget.
What was that?
Watch.
Oh! Shit.
Fine.
The TV turned on. That's all that happened.
Oh my gosh.
The part's not even scary. The cover's gonna come off. Yes, it is.
It's shelter.
What happens at this part? I forgot. Oh, the light's not turning on.
Oh, the ceiling?
The cover. Oh my gosh, they look at the fire forever. We don't. Oh gosh. Stop. What's the next part? The chauffeur, right? In the backyard. Oh my gosh, this part's scary. Oh my god.
Demon! 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 Demon!
Oh my gosh, it's scary. It's
Good.
bad acting right there.
Goodbye.